The salami leg won't fit. The salami leg won't fit. The salami leg won't fit. Hold up. Can we switch your language? Like a mac and cheese. Emotional damage. Like a mac and cheese. Boy. It's a good stick.
I hope you like that one.
Stop eating.
Okay, rain noise.
Wow.
That was a nice rain noise.
My goddamn dog keep moving around. Excuse me. That was rude. Stop it, dog. What the hell?
Now,
Yeah, what the hell, dog?
I have another stim for you. Let's try this one.
This is a workout. This is a workout. Stop it. Get some of my favorites.
Now, for the next one, rain noise.
I love rain noises.
Sorry, that was a fart.
Fucking chaotic as
For
shit.
the next one.
Tell me why they so hard as fuck.